The storm is coming. You can feel it. You can see it gathering on the horizon, the dark clouds rolling in. It's inevitable chaos, adversity, pain, call it whatever you want. But the storm is coming for you, and you have two choices. You can run, you can hide, hope it blows over. You can sit in the false comfort of waiting for it to pass, hoping you'll survive unscathed. Or you can stand tall, face the storm head-on, and confront it with everything you have. But understand this, the storm doesn't care about your fears, doesn't care about your excuses. It's going to hit you hard. It's going to test you, rip at your soul, and expose your weaknesses. Good, that's what you need, because in that chaos, in that darkness, you're going to find out who you really are. The storm will strip away everything soft and comfortable, leaving you raw and exposed. And that's where you either break or you rise. In the middle of that storm, you will find strength you never knew you had, not because it's given to you, but because you earn it. The storm will try to push you back, knock you down, drown you in fear and pain. But you push back harder, you plant your feet, grit your teeth, and you keep moving forward. You don't run from the storm, you don't flinch. You embrace it, you welcome it, you thrive in it, because you know this. The storm isn't your enemy. It's your opportunity to grow, to become stronger, to become harder. The storm reveals the warrior inside you. So when you see those dark clouds, when you feel that wind picking up, don't cower, don't retreat, stand up, step forward, face it. You're not here to survive the storm, you're here to conquer it. And when you do, when you step into that storm, it's not going to be easy. The wind will howl, the rain will beat down, you'll be tested, pushed to your limit, maybe beyond. Your mind will scream at you to turn back, to seek shelter, to stop the pain. But that's exactly when you dig in. That's when you remind yourself why you're out here. You're not here to take the easy road. You're not here to play it safe. You're here to go through hell, because on the other side of that hell is where greatness lies. And greatness doesn't come from comfort. It doesn't come from avoiding the hard things. It comes from enduring the struggle, from walking through fire, from facing the storm and refusing to let it break you. So when the weight gets heavy, when you feel like you can't take another step, when doubt and fear start whispering in your ear, you drown them out with action, one step, then another. Forward, always forward. You may stumble, you may fall, but you get back up every single time. Because the storm only wins if you stop. And you're not stopping. You fight through the exhaustion. You fight through the pain. You fight through the doubt. You fight until the storm has thrown everything it has at you, and you're still standing. That's how you win, not by running, not by avoiding, but by standing firm in the face of chaos and walking straight into the heart of it. That's where strength is forged. That's where courage is born. That's where warriors are made. You're not here to exist. You're here to overcome, to thrive, to dominate. The storm isn't something to fear. It's the crucible that will make you stronger. So don't ask for the storm to pass. Don't wish for easier days. Embrace the storm. Confront it. And when it's over, when the sky is clear and the calm returns, you'll be standing stronger, harder, and more relentless than ever before. Because you didn't just survive the storm, you became it. And now, after facing that storm, you'll know something most people never will. Storms don't break you, they build you. They're not obstacles in your path, they are the path. Every gust of wind, every strike of lightning, every downpour of doubt is shaping you, forging you into something unstoppable. People will look at you and wonder how you made it through, how you endured the things that would have crushed them. They won't understand that it wasn't luck, it wasn't some special gift. It was your choice, your decision to keep pushing, to never back down. It was your willingness to embrace the suffering, to stare down the storm and say, "Bring it." And when the next storm comes, and it will come, you won't flinch. You'll welcome it, because now you know that every storm is a stepping stone. Every hardship is a lesson. Every battle is a sharpening of your edge. And each time you confront that chaos, you come out stronger, harder, more unbreakable than before. Understand this: life is the storm. It's not the calm, it's not the sunshine. It's the fight, the struggle, the grind. It's what you do in those moments of uncertainty, in those moments of pain, that defines you. That's when character is built. That's when warriors are born, not in comfort, but in the storm. So from this moment forward, don't hope for easy days. Don't wish for a smooth ride. That's not what you're here for. You're here to face adversity. You're here to fight through the chaos, to embrace the storm as your ally, as the crucible that tempers your soul, because you're not like everyone else. You don't hide from discomfort. You don't shrink in the face of fear. You thrive in it, you grow in it, you get better because of it. So when you see the storm gathering again, don't hesitate, don't falter. Step into it willingly, knowing that it's not there to destroy you, it's there to elevate you. And when it's over, you'll be something more, something stronger, something uncheckable. Because the storm doesn't define you, you define the storm.